boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. TJ's been there before, pretty recently actually. This time we have a song called Legacy. So it's a nice song with a 3-chord song. Let's go into it. And we have the capo set on the 4th fret to match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible. So let's do that. And once you put that capo on, let's go over the chord starting with A minor 7. Okay, so that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the F major 7 next, and that will be third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. Either you can go with just to use a part of the full G, and that will be to play 3rd fret on E string, 2nd on A, and then open D, open G, open B, E, or you can use the full chord, which will be to still have the 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, and then add on the 3rd fret B string and 3rd E. And that's the G2 versions of it, and it's actually enough to just hold the bass for this specific song here. Anyway, let's go into the notes and the melody first. So what you're going to do is to play A minor 7, 1 down, and then you're going to play, and that will be to play the 2nd G and open B. Then comes the F major part. That is to play the 3rd fret D string together with 1st B. And then again 1st B, and then 3rd B. And then you have the G part. That is to play the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B string. And for the first round, you're going to play just that and a big pause afterwards. The second round, you will play everything in the same way, the A minor and the F major part. But then when you come to the G part, you will play the same still. But instead of just having a pause afterwards, you will play that part. And that will be the 1st fret E string, high E, then the open high E, the 3rd B, and 1st B. So I'm going to play this second round because the pause, we don't have to demonstrate that, it's just quiet. So I'm just going to give you the second round. You're going to play like this, first round, second round, first round, second round, and alternate like this from the beginning till the very end. So it goes like this. Okay, so that's the melody. Now, into the strumming, we have a strumming pattern that needs to be divided into 2 different parts, because we're going to play A minor 7, 1 full round, both parts there, and then F major part 1, and then G part 2. So how are the parts? Let's grab the A minor 7 and look at it, starting with the first part, which will be down, down, up, clap. Like that. So down, down, up, clap. Then you have a short pause, and then comes up, up, down, clap, down. So if you put this together, it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, clap, down. And you can choose to go either melody or this strumming from beginning till the end. You can also combine it and add the notes into the strumming in the way you like it, all right? So no rules there, you just know all the tools now and use it. So that pretty much covers Lil Tjay's Legacy. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and feel free to support me here on Garden Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.